14 participants. Okay. So today we have learned a minus b bracket cube. So like as the last week, we are going to solve this a minus bracket cube. How to write? Write it separately, a minus b in second bracket, a minus b and a minus b. So in between nothing is means here which sign is present, for multiplication sign is present. Which sign is present here? Multiplication sign is present. So
Multiplication.
yes. So first we are going to take this first two bracket, then afterwards we'll think about third bracket. Okay. So I am going to write in the square root this first a multiply second bracket a minus b. Okay. Then minus b multiply to second bracket a minus b. Okay. And then we will complete here square bracket multiply a minus b as it is. We are not going to do here anything. Okay. Now here we will take now separate multiplication a into a. What will we get? A square. Okay. Then a into minus b, here multiplication minus ab. Okay. Then minus b into a minus ba or ab. You can write minus b or minus ba. Then is minus multiplied by minus, will get here plus b square. We have solved square. Okay. And then remaining we are going to write like this a minus b. Okay. Now here, so this a square, this minus ab, it's become here minus 2ab. What will get here? Minus 2ab. Getting it?
2ab.
Yeah. This
Yes, sir.
both having the negative sign and both having the same their alphabets letters, so we can add them. Okay, so we'll get minus 2ab. Got it, everyone? Now we
Yes,
are
sir.
going to take next our regular. So this a square, then multiply to this last bracket remain a minus b. Minus 2ab. Multiply next again same thing a minus b. Then plus b square. Multiply to this bracket a minus ab. Okay. Now here we will take separate multiplication a square into a. What will get? A cube. Then a square minus b. What will get? Minus a square b. Okay. Then minus 2ab into a. What will get? Minus 2a square, because a into a square and b as it is. Minus 2a square b. Now this minus minus become here plus. What will we get? 2ab square, because why? This b and this b, a as it is. Okay. Then plus this b square minus a minus b. What will we get here? ab square. Be quiet. Don't speak in the middle. Minus b cube. Okay. Now here you can see there minus 2a square b. Okay. And here 2ab square. Okay. So what will you get now? So this a cube as it is, right? Is minus a square b. Where we are getting the a square b? So here minus 3a square b. Getting it? Then this 2ab square plus ab square. What will get here? Plus 3ab square and remain there minus b cube. So we have got here this formula a minus b, its expansion bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b square. Okay, students? So now x minus 2 bracket cube. Okay, so we have just seen this formula, a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Is it correct, this formula? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir. Yes.
this is your x means your a, and this 2 means your b. Okay, getting it? So now put here value, a square means x cube. Okay, put here instead of a you have to write x cube. I'm writing in bracket minus 3 into a square matlab here x square.
X.
Okay, then b is your 2, right, as it is,
2.
plus what will get here, plus 3
3. X
A.
square. X square.
into 2 square and minus 2 cube. Getting it? Now here x cube will get as it is, that is a x cube. Now 3 into x square as it is, but 3 to the 6. So minus 6 into x square plus, now 2 square is the 4. 4 3 is a 12. 12x. And now minus 2 cube is 8. So we'll get answer like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose one number is given for you like this. Find 99 square. Sorry, 99 cube. Now how to find it? We know this 99 is close to the 100. 99 is close to the 100. So we can write 100 minus 1 bracket. Okay. Then put the formula a minus b bracket cube is equal to, what you will get, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square
3ab square
minus b
minus b square. B
Cube.
cube. B
okay.
cube.
Now here we have to take, instead of ab 100 minus 1 x cube, then is equal to,
100 cube.
first we have to write here 100
Cube.
okay, write like this 100 cube minus 3a square matlab
Into
into 100
100 square into
b
1.
plus 3 into
3 into 100 into 1 square.
1 cube. 1 square.
into
1 square.
1 square minus 1 bracket.
1 cube.
1 cube.
Okay.
One
Now I told that day you one method, while there suppose zeros are coming. So how many zeros? 2. 2 3s are 6. So you have to write front of 1 how many zeros? 6.
Yes.
Because 1 cube 1 only. Got it? Here this is 0 minus
Sir.
3 into, here how many? 100 square, we know it's 10,000 into 1 10,000, multiply by 3, what will you get? 30,000
30,000.
plus, now
30,000.
3 into 100 300 into 1 square as it is 1
300.
300 minus 1 cube 1. Okay, so now here you can do directly subtraction and addition. Here you can do this subtraction and this subtraction, then add it. Or if you want to add this first positive numbers and then subtract all negative numbers from it. So what will you get the answer? This is a, can you tell which number is there? You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh minus 30,000. So what will you get there? Will tell me 10 lakh minus 30,000. 9 lakh 70,000 and plus this 299. So what will you get here? 9 lakh
70,299.
299. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to see the next problems from it. Okay. So see that this problem was there, I have taken here. Okay. Now sometime like this, simplify the examples are coming here. Okay. For 5.3 simplify. So simplify is also same. It's very easy. But here for simplifying, we are getting the two formula that time we have to use here. Suppose first plus p plus q bracket cube and second p minus q bracket cube. Okay. So now here I'm going to take this simplify one problem. Now here you should learn the table formula properly. P plus q bracket q. Here what is given middle? P minus q bracket q. 1 minute student.
Hello, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You are audible.
Okay.
Yes.
One
You
for
are
audible.
audible.
Okay. So now we have to find its answer. So if you are unable to solve directly, then one thing you have to keep in mind, you have to learn the formulas. Then only we can solve it. Otherwise, it's impossible to solve. Remember. Now you should know this P and Q as the A and B. Okay. Then A plus B bracket cube. What is its formula? A plus B bracket cube. Who will tell me?
X,
Yes.
sir, x square plus bracket a plus b x into x plus b.
No. We are speaking about the cube. We are speaking about cube. Just 1 minute. I'm going to take you on main page of our textbook. Please you'll get that idea once again. Okay. See here.
Sir,
Yeah.
a square plus 3a,
See,
a
listen.
cube plus 3a square
Yeah. Now see here.
formula.
This is your formula. A plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Formula is the same for minus also, but just signs are changed. What is happened here? Just signs are changed. If you see here,
Signs are changed.
yeah, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So now we are going to write this, okay, and we are going to solve this. So first, for this, what will you get? A cube means your p cube, okay, plus 3a square. 3a square means here your p is the a into q plus 3ab square. A means here p and b means q.
Q.
Okay, plus q. This we have got for first one. Sarthak, mute yourself. So this is your first bracket. We have expanded. This is first bracket. Now we have to expand second bracket. In second, bracket. Okay, so here p minus q bracket cube, just we have seen that a cube minus 3a square means here a means your p square cube plus 3 pq square. Why? Because the formula is there 3ab square minus b cube. So here your cube. Got it everyone? How to done it? By the just formula
Yes, sir.
expansion.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now here you will see we have to add this. We have to add this. Now due to that reason what we are going to do here, we are going to take all our these same numbers at same place. So p cube plus this p cube both are same, so we can write them closer. Okay. Now plus 3p square cube is minus same number, so we are going to write here 3p square cube. Okay, then plus 3pq square plus here this also same 3pq square. Then this plus q square minus q cube plus q cube minus q cube. Now here you can identify easily. Now this plus this minus it will be become 0. It will become 0, and this is also going to become here 0 because there's negative sign. One is the positive and one is the negative. If suppose anybody has given to you eat 2 laddu and you have eaten all 2, then what will be remain there?
Zero.
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 So like this only here. So now this pq plus
Zero.
pq, here what will get 2 p cube. Why? Because here addition, this is 1p and this is also 1p. 1p plus 1p, 2p cube. Then here you have to just add the numbers because its letters if you see this both are the same, pq square, 3 plus 3 6 p
Six.
q square. Got it
Q
answer?
square.
And this is cancelled, then we will
Yes,
get the
sir.
final answer is 2p cube plus 6p cube square cube. Okay. So while we are getting like this problem, don't afraid it, don't scare it. Simple thing. 2m minus 5 bracket cube. This total term is the a and this second term is the b. Then put the formula. What is we know the formula? That is formula a cube minus
A cube.
minus
A cube
3a
3 a square
3a square b
into b
uh,
plus
Sar-
plus
3
3ab square
AB
minus b cube.
Sarthak, I think at your home some TV or something is going on, his voice is coming.
No, sir. No, sir. Brother's class.
Okay, then the little sit away from him. Okay. While you are telling answer,
Okay,
I am getting
okay,
that
sir.
all. Now, see a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is your a and this is your b. So now put here 2m minus 5 bracket cube is equal to, what is we will get here now? 2m.
Two
It's m bracket
2m cube
2m bracket cube
minus 3
Minus
2m
minus
square
3
minus
2m square into
Five.
5
5
minus
plus
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 3m
plus
5
3
square
3 2m it
3 into 2m
into 5 square
1.
3 into 2m.
Yeah, 3 into 2
2m.
into 5
Yeah.
square
2m into 5 square
minus
minus 5 cube
5 cube.
5 cube
Minus 5 cube.
minus 5 cube.
cube.
Here see, very simple. While we are taking that, some students are making mistake here. They are taking just cube of m or cube of 2. We have to take both terms cube. So 2's cube is here 8.
8
Okay.
8.
Eight.
8m cube.
m
yes sir 8m cube
8m cube.
8 n cube.
Cube.
Now here see 2 into here also some students are making mistake. Here we have to take directly first squares and then multiply. 2 square is the 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60.
20.
4 5 are 20.
12 5s are I am asking.
12
60 m
Okay,
square.
60 m square plus here 5 square is a 25. 25 into 2 50. 50 into 3 150 will get here
150.
150 m, not only 150 will get
150
here.
m.
And we
150
should know
m.
the cube of it, so it is a 120.
125.
Got it everyone, how to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.